Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how you can join to Android beta program. You have to go for the settings and then scroll down and go for the system, find system update, tap on the right upper corner and go here to enroll in the beta test program. Accept this stuff, click to agree, and then go to the beta program webpage. We have to sync up with our account. For example, I'm going to pick the Google account. Click OK, but you can also make it with Facebook or any other email. Right now we are going to become an ASUS program and the login is success. So right now we sync up, but as you can see, the beta program it's not started yet. So we have to wait, and when it starts, we will get the notification. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.